In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a help desk ticketing system. We'll start right inside ClickUp. First, make sure you're in the space where you want your support tickets to live and open any existing list view there. This is going to be the home for your new help desk setup, so pick a space your support or operations team already uses, or create a new one just for support. At the top of your screen, next to the space name, look for a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that. This is how you add new views or structures inside your space, and it's the starting point for bringing in a ready-made help desk system. From the options that pop up, choose templates. Templates in ClickUp are pre-built setups that save you a lot of time, and there's one specifically designed for help desks. Once the template window opens, click into the search bar and type help desk. This filters all available templates down to the ones that match what you need. In the results, look for the template called Help Desk Ticket and click on it. You'll see a quick preview of what's included: lists, views, and fields set up for ticket management. When you're ready to add it to your workspace, click on Use Template. Next, you'll be prompted to name this new list. Type in a clear name like Support Ticket System or something your team will instantly recognize. A good name makes it easier for everyone to find and use it consistently. After naming it, click Use Template again to confirm and start the import. Now, give ClickUp a few seconds to do its thing. It can take up to about 15 seconds for everything to load, especially if your workspace is large, so just wait until the new list appears. Once it's done, you'll land on the main ticket list view. This is where you'll see individual tickets as rows, along with fields like status, assignee, and priority. Along the top, you'll also notice several other helpful views that come with the template. There's a Getting Started guide view, which explains how the template is structured and gives you best practices. You'll see a ticket priority view, which lets you quickly group or filter tickets by urgency, and a ticket categories view to organize tickets by type, such as technical, billing, or general inquiries. There's also a ticket status view to track tickets through stages like open, in progress, and resolved. If you click on Two More, in the Views bar, you'll find additional ways to work with your tickets, including a board view, which shows tickets as cards you can drag between statuses. Clicking Two More, again, reveals the ticket submission form view. This is a form you can share with your team or customers so that every new request automatically becomes a ticket in this list. Finally, remember that every one of these views is customizable. You can rename them, adjust filters and groupings, hide the ones you don't need, or delete them entirely. That way, your ClickUp help desk system matches your exact workflow and becomes a central hub